Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures. So today we are back at $7 City with another adventure for you guys. So
come with us.
Okay, so today we've got a few things planned for you. First of all, we are on our way to, well, we were on our way.
Oh.
We were on our way.
We were admiring this tree, honestly.
Admiring this tree?
Yeah, look, it's through the roof.
Well, that is.
Isn't
It
that
does
cool?
go straight through the roof of that building.
It's not something
Very
you see every
interesting.
day.
Yeah, no, it's not. So, anyway, what's our plans for today?
So we're gonna go to Mystic River Falls.
Mm-hmm. That's their newest ride.
Yeah, and I hear that there's sharks in the water. So
I think you need to explain that a little bit.
So the $7 City media team is awesome. They love to like have fun with it, and somehow I'm not entirely sure they started a rumor that there's sharks in the waters, and they have shirts and everything. Super fun. Like
It is.
So yeah, that's why we're gonna go do it and see if Jaws is in there.
And then we are going to eat some Crossroads Pizza for you guys.
Brick
And,
oven.
It is brick oven pizza that they have here. And we are also going to ride the barn swing as well. So we'll give a review of that. So anyway, we will see you when we get to Mystic River Falls. Okay, so we've made it to the entrance of Mystic River Falls. And we're going to go see what this is about. See you after the ride. Okay, so just got off of Mystic River Falls, and I'm soaked. So Ash and Megan are both inside the dryer, which is where I'm about to go and be here in a minute. So at least they do have dryers for you to dry off afterwards, because holy cow, you get soaked. Also, very worth the ride, very worth the ride. We'll talk after I dry off. All right, so as you can see, we've had a bit of a wardrobe change.
Drench.
Yeah, got soaked. The human dryer does not work quite as well as we hoped it would.
It's hot.
It is hot, so it will.
Amazing.
Yes, it feels rather nice actually, but still had to change. Plus, it's springtime, so we don't dry off as fast. Maybe in the summer, like in the middle of July, it would be different, something that we'd have to test out. But anyway, we're gonna work our way over to Crossroads Pizza and get us some lunch. Okay, so we've made it to the outside of Crossroads Pizza, and we're gonna see what pizza's like at $7 City. It's brick-fired oven artisan pizzas. It says simply the best, so let's find out. See you inside. So we got a couple pizzas, a pepperoni and sausage, and a pepperoni. Pepperoni is actually ours. Pepperoni and sausage is Megan's. So we'll let Ash go ahead and
It's hot though.
take a bite.
Oh yeah.
Slow-mo that one.
Yeah, we'll have to slow-mo that thing. That's
Tastes
good
like
pizza.
chicken.
Tastes like chicken. Okay, we're gonna eat our lunch, and we will see you when we are done. All right, so we just finished up our pizza, and it wasn't terrible. It wasn't great.
I'm not
either.
gonna write home.
No, but it's if you got a craving for pizza, it's a good pizza to have. Nothing like Universal Studios pizza, but it is some good pizza.
I would say,
So-
like, we got an 8-incher and split it.
Yeah.
Because we want room for dessert later
Yeah.
on.
Now Megan did let me try her sausage and pepperoni one, and it's about the same. So nothing to write home about, but it's still not terrible pizza.
For the price and splitting it, not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all. But if you are craving pizza, it's not bad pizza to go grab. So anyway, I think we're gonna head over to the barn swing now, or actually, I'm gonna head to the car.
Yeah.
Because I got to go put up all of our clothes that we got soaked on from Mystic River Falls, and she's actually going to go ride the barn swing, so she's going to have fun with that. So, anyway, see you guys at the barn swing.
All right, we made it to the barn swing. Brady had to run back to the car to put up some wet clothes from the river, and I'm just going to ride it by myself, so I'm pretty excited just to check it out. See you then. So it's just a typical barn swing, and Brady's scared of heights, so he did not ride it. And that's probably
Well, I was
why,
out at the car.
Yeah, but that was probably why he's trying to get out of it. So, but it was really fun. It's a little scary here and there, but it's okay. It's a typical swing.
Wouldn't know, I've never ridden it.
Yeah, he probably won't either.
That's also true. So next to the barn swing is a little farmer's market that's got sodas and funnel cakes and fried Oreos.
It's supposed to be on a stick though, but she
It is
didn't give
supposed to be on a stick, but she didn't give us a stick, so that's okay. So she's gonna cut this in half.
Ooh,
it looks really good.
You're gonna get by it.
All right, I'll take a bite.
Tastes like Oreo.
That's a pretty good fried Oreo. That's fried Oreo. That's good. Good. Highly recommend getting these things if you guys come here. Okay, so we finally dried off, but I think that's going to end our day here at Silver Dollar City. We want to thank you guys for coming along with us. We really enjoyed Mystic River Falls.
Yes, so much fun.
Yes, a lot of fun. It gets you really, really wet.
I would prefer it in the summer though.
I did. Yeah, same here. Same here. But there was that, and the pizza was good, and the barn swing. Ash had fun on the barn swing. So, well, that being said, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
Bell notification button.
so that you guys don't miss any of our adventures.
So bring on the next adventure.
Bye, guys.